Hey guys, come with us as we celebrate our 2-year anniversary at James Hearns Restaurant, 13th downtown. This is actually our first time coming here. We thought this area was really nice. The vibe on the inside was really nice. It's like black excellence everywhere. And y'all know I had to get me a picture standing right here because this outfit was not about to go to waste. And here's the menu for the dinner. So we didn't expect this to be so small. We thought it was another menu finna pop up somewhere. We got the pineapple Thai wings. Those were really good. My husband got the sidecar, the Big Tony sidecar drink. It was really strong. For me, it was really strong. And then me, I got the Aphrodite. This was amazing. This drink is really sweet. So if you like wine, sweet wines, this one is for you, girl. And then for the food, I got lamb chops, we got truffle fries, mashed potatoes, seafood, rice.